Hi, Best Buds. It's Cathy with Cathy's Garden, and I'm so happy that you've joined me today. Today's video is a little different. I really need to share with you about my neck situation. Yeah, my neck. Back last summer, I addressed my neck through a doctor, and I went, a couple, 2-3 times a week. And it was starting to be better, but crafting and doing videos, it's not just the act of crafting, it's doing the videos, and it takes a long time to make a video and to prep a video, to make the examples, to film, then you type it all up on the back side. I'm not complaining, I'm explaining that a lot of people think, you just pop it in and it's pretty fast and easy. It really isn't. It takes a lot of time. I absolutely love this craft. I love everything about this craft, and I love sharing with you. So I am going to work a way that I can still share with you and still do the craft and alleviate some of my issues that I'm having. So to move forward with my channel, I'm going to bring you along in some of my craft days. My structure may look a little different, but I'm hoping that I can adjust it so that you will benefit and enjoy the video that I present to you. So my day is going to have to consist of this. I craft for about an hour, or I do other things for an hour, and then I must lay down for about 30 minutes on my neck little thing that I have. And then I can do another hour of another thing, crafting, laundry, dishes, you know how it goes, guys. And then I have to lay down again. So I'm going to just bring you along, and like I said, the format might look a little different, but I want to assure you that we're going to have Cathy's Sewing Happiness video every Sunday. I just came across just today, it was from Dr. Wayne Dyer, and he said that this study was completed and found that everybody that, I'll explain who everybody is, but they benefit from a single act of kindness, and that single act of kindness raises your serotonin levels and your immune system strengthens. Oh my gosh, that is incredible. That's why we feel so good when someone is kind to us and gives us an act of kindness. So it's not only the giver, the person who lets the one into the grocery store line because you have 20 items and they only have one, or the person you let into traffic because, heaven forbid, nobody's going to let anybody get in front of them when they're driving a car. Still, that one just, I can't get my head wrapped around that one. The giver receives an increased level in serotonin, and their immune system strengthens. The taker, the one who receives the act of kindness, their serotonin levels increase and their immune system strengthens. And not only that, you guys, but if you are an observer, if you observe this act of kindness, then the observers' serotonin level increases and their immune system strengthens. That is, oh my goodness, you can do so many things with just a simple act of kindness that doesn't have to cost you anything. It doesn't have to cost you anything. So yes, we're still going to be having our hashtag Cathy Sewing Happiness weekly Sunday drawing for Happy Mail. And we're going to be having our Shop the Restock. I'm going to be crafting when I can, making things, bringing you along, and we're still going to be able to be together. You know, when the wind blows and the tree bends, we're going to have to be just like that. We're going to have to adjust to the situation at hand, and we're going to make the lemonade, the glass lemonade from it. Yes, we are. And I do hope that you all will join me in my new journey together. And that's what this little video is all about. Look at this gorgeous yarn. It's going to be in Shop the Restuck, you guys. Oh, I can't wait for Sunday. And so with that said, I may not see you quite as often, but I'm going to see you. I'm going to see you at least 3 times a week, you guys. Not counting the hashtag Cathy Sewing Happiness. That's an added bonus. Oh, you guys, I know this is a different type of video, but please give it a thumbs up. And I invite you to subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you in my next video. I'll see you there, guys. Bye now.